Observe normal firing at 500 meters. The shot hits half a vehicle length, or rather, height, below the point of aim. However, it still flies straight through the entirety of its travel, barring the first few milliseconds. A method of demonstrating this is using the slow-mo command, because at lower slow-mos, it does not drop nearly as much during the periods that it is capable of dropping, which is measured in milliseconds, not in the actual length of travel, meaning that when you fire it, it actually travels straight where you aimed it, with no deviation, which means the problem is not in the alignment of the sight itself. Now, you might be thinking that it is dropping over the entire course of its travel, but that is not the case. The method of demonstrating this is by, again, loading a rocket in, and again, setting it to 0.1 times speed. However, immediately after it's fired, I'm going to switch it back to 1 times speed to demonstrate that it is not dropping over the course of its travel, only upon the instant it is fired. So, firing again, and then immediately back to real time, it flies straight, it hits where I aimed it. The issue is merely that it starts dropping for a few milliseconds at the beginning of its fire, which means that it is not producing an accurate sight on target for the rest of its travel because the rocket is deviated by a few minutes of angle downwards upon firing.